Lie down. Lie down. Look. Walk. Nope. Lie down. With me. Come on. Poor little black dog. She never gets to do anything. It's just terrible. Because nobody loves her. Nope. Nobody loves her. She never gets to play with the sheepies. She never gets to do anything. I better get moving. It's just the poor, poor life of a rescue dog. Boo-hoo. Lie. Coming up fast, Bear. See if you can see her. Quit scurrying around. Really? Lie down. Away. Walk. Lie. Good girl. Down. Quit screwing around. Lie down, you. Stay. So let's take an example of not being able to hold pressure. Lie down. Walk. Good girl. Good girl. Walk up. Lie down. So here's the big cheat. Yeah, she's taking him to the fader. They know exactly where they're going.